Oh my God.
Zokka. Bayo. President wa mukuru okugulu. Oh! President wa mukuru okugulu. President wa mukuru. Vini bayo tambula. President wa mukuru okugulu. President wa mukuru okugulu.
Manage the crowds and the movie. He has been shot. We will speak later. He has been shot.
All right, we have just heard that Bobi Wine has been shot. This is what's going on. We are in Bulindo, and Bobi has been shot. What's going on right now? He was planning to. This is what's going on. We just had that he has allegedly been shot.
As you can see, they are arresting everyone who is recording. Go to the camera. Okay. The president is not safe at all. As you can see, they are moving around with guns. The scene is not safe at all. You can see some of the...
They shoot the president?
The president is not safe. He has been just rushed to the hospital. He has been shot to the leg. He has been shot to the leg. The commander TSJ is there, up there. As you can see, he's trying to calm down the situation. But after shooting, one of the officers has been captured on live saying, shoot. We are not safe at all until we are safe. The police officers, they are so bitter with whoever is around. That patrol, there is one of the colleagues who is being wrapped on the ropes. You can see how they are. You can see how they are doing. You can see how they are torturing him in the van. You can see how he's torturing. He has been. You can see how they are torturing someone in the van. His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu is not safe at all. He has been shot in the leg by police commanded by TSJ. The situation is not good at all here. The situation is not safe. We're not safe until we are safe. They have just taken his shoes. We don't know who has been arrested. My God. They are hitting him on the head. You can see the situation. We are not safe at all. The president is just kept. The president, it was just a simple function. He had come to visit the council, George Musisi.
I don't think it's that.
Here is Commander Mwesije, who have been commanding the situation. The situation is not good at all. His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu. The police, as you can see, Commander Mwesije is gathering his people. Afande TSJ. The police has just shot His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu the leg when he was trying to intervene with police. See what has happened. The police started earlier arresting the foot soldiers who are putting on the overalls. The president had to come out and intervene, but later on, the police had to fire back. His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu, I can't tell you that he's safe. He's just kept in the clinic here in Bulindo, Chira. He's just kept here in Bulindo, Chira. We are not safe until for those of you who are following, we are in Bulindo, Chira. President Chira Yanga yabakubye nabade Chira Yanga yatukubye munini ngamba boza abasajja basakwesitira
obwedde omusajja atugamba tipisa ndi kubyambuza Kyagulanyi abadde ewange oyo kansu Dipi sankubira amasimu angambye ampadde 5 minutes agenda kuba tear gas.
Abaddewo okwo tekitegeeza.
DPC.
Situation here in Bulindo, but for those of you who have just joined the live, the president was only coming from visiting the home of Council Musisi, but finally he had finished the function, but police could not hold it, see the president moving in his. That's the situation on the ground. The president has been kept here. The clinic is called Najami Medical Center in Bulindo. Najami Medical Center. The president is being kept here. The president is being kept here. The president is being kept here. The president is here in Bulindo.
What's screenshot here? Prayers only to the president, the elect one. Jesus, damn! Imagine. We are just peaceful in our cars, moving peacefully. Peaceful from where